Why does jealousy consume your good deeds? Say for example, someone suddenly became a millionaire. I'm giving you a worldly example, right? Let's say he earned his money through halal means. I'm not going to talk about haram means, right? Halal means you became a millionaire. What do people say? People fall into a few categories. Some people won't know, okay? Other people will say, wow, mashallah, you did so well. Alhamdulillah, may Allah bless you. Allah grant you goodness. And deep down they'll say, may Allah give me too. I also need 1 million, right? Is that a bad thing? It's not a bad thing. I'm happy for you. I thank Allah for you. And I say, well, Allah, give me some of this, something similar to this, or even more maybe. Pray, there's no harm. And another category are those who will say, he's doing drugs. I'm sure they're selling something funny. These people are evading tax. These people are this. That's why they're making so much. You know what? This business of theirs is just a cover. Have you ever heard that? Wallahi, if you don't have pure evidence in that regard, you're a loser. That's why you're saying that. You're a loser. How could you say that? Say Alhamdulillah, MashaAllah, Tabarakallah, La quwwata illa billah. May Allah bless them with more.